All right, let's take a look at the chart action for Uniswap. All right, so we're still in this channel, guys, and it got a breakout huge, and it's coming up to some resistance, I feel like. So we have a little resistance right here, and we have this trend line going right here, and that is from right here resistance, and this resistance right here, and right here, and right here. Like I said, we were in this channel going up and down, has some great volatility. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So what we did was we had a breakout going from here to here, something like that, with the triangle pattern, something like that. Target from the top to the bottom of the triangle, bring that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of around 38.88, and looks like we're getting close to there. So what we can do, what I'm gonna do is get a trend line and do something like this. And so what I'm going to do is just watch this trend line and see when it breaks it. That's when I'm going to be maybe taking some profits. The other thing is, though, if we go to the daily time frame, this is looking like possibly, like, if it keeps going, this could be crazy bullish. What I really like about this is that we broke above this daily moving average. Let me see what's on the weekly. What's kind of interesting is we've broken above it before, but this area up here is giving us resistance. So right here gave us resistance, and right here, like I said, just watch this trend line. If we could break out of this trend line with some good volume, then we might be looking at a target of something like bring the bottom to the top of this wedge, bring that to a possible breakout, maybe something like up here. Let's just speculate. And if we're looking at 53.67, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I don't know. For now, the trend has been we get rejection right there. We get rejection right there. Do you think we can get rejection right here? I don't know. It's possible. And we keep trending in this little direction. But I don't know. If we do break this thing, I would say maybe we can look for something like that. But we're going to want to look for some volume. And this is on the daily time frame. So we'll want to close up here on the daily. And then tomorrow we'd also want to, keep going. So I think that's what my feelings are, or what I'm thinking about Uniswap right now. But we do have this nice breakout, guys. I hope you guys caught it. I think I talked about it in my last video. And yeah, so we got this nice breakout right here on the 4-hour. We're riding that 4-hour. We're testing it. We tested it a little bit. Boom, boom. We're bouncing off of it, which is nice. On the 4-hour, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. This got a nice little bounce right here. Boom. We're looking pretty good, honestly. Let's go to the 5-minute just to kind of check it out. I'm kind of getting a little bit we're kind of getting a little bit of testing going on here, but everything else looks good. I mean, on the hourly, this looks good. Like I was saying, let's set up a trend line going something like this. Maybe something like that. And then when this starts to break this trend line right here, then I'll be looking to maybe take some profits in these areas that I've been kind of accumulating a little bit, and maybe look for a little bit of bounce down or something like that. And if I sell and it keeps going up, then I'll maybe put in some more orders. And that's kind of where I mess up a little bit of sometimes, is I'll have a nice run, and then it'll look like it breaks out to like this side or something, and then I'll put in another order. And that's where I kind of mess up. So I have to kind of watch it. But sometimes it keeps running. Like with Dogecoin, that thing just kept running. Boom, boom, boom. It just kept going. And I was like, okay, all in. That's at a certain point. But yeah, I would say look for, we're in some territory where there might be rejection. Even where we're at exactly right now was a previous kind of rejection area. So look for that possibly. And then up here, this trend line is around 40.26, and this area that we're at right now is about 38.02. So by the time I edit and put this video out, I'm not sure what it's going to be at, but I'll try to do it as fast as possible, guys. All right, if you like that video, hit that thumbs up button.